Today's project is making some raised beds for my garden. The raised beds are going to be 8 feet long by 4 feet wide. I bought a whole bunch of rough cut lumber last year from a local sawmill, and it's been sitting in my barn drying for 8 months now. So this is going to be ready to put out. Hopefully no more warping of the wood. With the weather and the snow melting, I'm able to start this project. So let's get to it. Well, I completed my 6 raised beds, and now that they're all together, the next step is to try and treat them with a wood burning technique the Japanese call Shou Sugi Ban. This is a centuries old tradition that the Japanese have undertaken in order to increase the life expectancy of their wood. I know that the particular type of wood that they would use this method on is a lot different than the wood I use for these raised beds. My raised beds are made with pine, so hopefully that method still works on pine. Really don't have much to lose. I think they're saying 5 to 7 years pine raised beds will last you, and can't hurt to try and use the old centuries tradition of the Japanese. I really hope this wood burning technique works, because although these raised beds aren't a ton of money to make, and they're not a ton of effort to build, it's just a lot of effort to actually take apart a rotting raised bed and move all the soil and dig up all the perennial plants you plant in them. So I really ideally would like these to last at least 10 years. So we'll see if the wood treatment, the wood burning treatment works. Kind of excited to try it. I got a blowtorch attachment I bought recently, and that'll have a bunch of different purposes, not just burning of wood, but burning trees that I've cut down that are a nuisance, and burning the stumps so a new tree doesn't grow. So we'll see how this works. Well, today I'm going to be operating my Bravix propane torch. This unit I bought on Amazon, and just picked up a 20-pound bottle of propane. Gonna seal it with some Teflon tape. Gonna apply that to the thread right now, and then get her attached. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so I just flipped this over. I've got the grass still nice and damp, just to prevent a grass fire. I'm going to do the upper half now, Then that'll complete one planter box, one raised bed.
that was a lot of work, but I finally completed my 6 raised beds. Thanks a lot for watching today's video, and stay tuned because I'll be doing a lot more work around the homestead, in the garden, and around the property. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.